Oppo India has confirmed the India launch of the Reno 15 series on January 8, which includes the Reno 15, Reno 15 Pro, and Reno 15 Pro Mini. The Oppo Reno 15 Pro 5G and Reno 15 Pro Mini 5G are built around a 200-megapixel ultra-clear main camera, a 50-megapixel 3.5x telephoto portrait camera, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8450 chipset with up to 12 GB of RAM, and run Android 16 base ColorOS 16 on top. The Reno 15 series will pack up to a 6,500 mAh battery, with 80W wired charging support. The Reno 15 Pro may offer a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel and the standard Reno 15 a 6.59-inch AMOLED display. All models are expected to offer Full HD Plus resolution, with higher peak brightness on the Pro variants. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.